Alright, so who knew today was going to be a whole bunch of videos being made, but we have some updates to do. So here we are, we got the latest Autodesk Licensing installer. This one's always fun, but it's pretty straightforward. So we grab the file. Our PowerShell script actually doesn't change because they don't change the name of the file. So pretty much we're copying it to the Autodesk folder, running the mode unattended. This is one of the installs that has a different silent parameter. For whatever reason, they're not all the same, so you just got to pay attention when you're doing it. Remember, you can always go into command line and do a help to get the quiet command. But this is the one for the Autodesk licensing. So we're going to close that. The only thing I name here is I name my PowerShell script so I know which version it was. So we're going to rename this to have, oh, there we go, to have the version number, which is 6013599. Alright. So we're going to test this out two ways. PowerShell, run as admin. Okay, so we're going to run our script just to make sure this works. There's no issues. Gonna let that go. Got Task Manager just to see it as it goes. With this one, there's always a pop-up. You'll see it when you run it here, but users won't see it. I run that fast? I guess so. Partly because this probably has already run on this machine once, so it probably saw it was already installed. But we will give it a sec. And we're going to check the registry just because. So for this one, we go back to that Autodesk registry key. So local machine software, Autodesk, and then this one is the ADSK licensing. So you see the version's already installed, so that's why you're not seeing anything spin up and run. But there you go. So basically we're going to take this now that we know that's good. Let's make sure our stuff's saved. Okay. So now we're going to go make our package. Call it. To our output folder. Now this is a very small update, but it's an important one. So if you have users having issues with like slow speed, sometimes opening programs, this could help a lot. So that makes the package really quick for us. Then we're going to go in here and just update our app. So we got our new package. Okay. Change our version 16.0.9. It's fine. We don't have a logo. This one, change our PowerShell script. 6. Don't have an uninstall key for this one because it just generally gets overwritten. Here we're just going to rely on the reg key, so you can see that, the version. Once we know it's equal, then we know you're updated. And that's it. This one's very fast because it's such a small install. And it'll go ahead and run and start deploying out to our machines that are still on the internet. So most people will have it by tomorrow morning, or as soon as they log in, the install will begin and it'll be good to go. Thanks.